Trouble using FIFA Panini app? Then in today's video, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. You have to make sure that you are connected to stable Wi-Fi. Once done, move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, you need to head over to General. Move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application FIFA Panini and then move into it. Click on Offload App. Once again, tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. After that, check whether your application is up to date or not. Move into App Store. In the address bar, search for FIFA Panini app. Move into this app right here. Instead of open, if you see the option of update, then tap on update and update the application to the latest version. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.